And we're back. So, light is pretty powerful. Walking through this way.
Got sheetrock down. We'll replace the insulation. New header up.
New header. Old ones right here.
They will be repurposed as posts in the basement and a mantle for the fireplace behind us.
Yep. So, let's go this way to the tutor room.
So this will be our master bedroom. Yeah, complete with our own storage loft.
Yeah.
What we're walking into now is what they've framed as the master bathroom. The door is going to be here. And it will open up this way to catch this dead space that's going to be an HVAC return. Walking in, toilet will be right here, covered up by the wall, since I don't want to see the toilet.
Nope.
From the door. So it'll be behind the wall that comes out. When you're looking into the bathroom, straight ahead right here will be a 6-foot vanity. So a double sink vanity. And then once James walks in a little more, I'll show you. So you'll round the corner, and there'll be a about 4.5 foot by 3.5 foot shower. So right now I'd be standing in the shower. Shower head will be right here, standing back. Brick will be exposed on the side and above the shower. And then shelving will go right here next to the vanity. Yeah.
Walk-in closet next.
Yep, we'll walk around. So there'll be another door. Another door right here. And both these doors are going to be frosted glass, full light doors. Yeah, as you can see, they pulled up the flooring from where what we made the bathroom. They pulled up the flooring. It ended up being 8-inch tongue and groove heart pine flooring. So they put this in the closet. This closet, we measured the width, but we didn't measure the length.
There you go.
It was caught on a drywall groove. Oh, I guess that was stupid.
Suspense is killing us.
It's about 7'3" inches. So I mean, and it's by 5 feet. So we're gonna have conservatively once drywalls that we're gonna have a 35 square foot walk-in closet and a 60 square foot master bathroom for a house that was this portion built in the 1700s. So you don't see that very often in an old house. This bedroom is also very large since it used to be the parlor. Yeah.
Yep. I think that's about all we can.
I think we can walk around and show them what it's going to look like on the other side.
Sure.
So when you walk through.
The light is.
Yeah. Oh, you want to walk the other way?
Yeah.
So when you walk through like this will actually be an under. Can they see this?
Nah, we have to get a light.
I've got a light.
Get a light. Who's got a light? Light it up. Stogie time. Just kidding.
So this will actually all be drywalled or plastered depending on what they decide to do, and they're going to keep the curve of this staircase. So when you walk in the front door, we're going to hang a small chandelier here, and you'll see the archway and the curved part of the staircase, which is unfortunately two of the very few architectural things that are left from the 1800s when this addition was built. Down here, this used to be the old staircase to the basement. I know James told you guys in the last video. But this is going to be closed off as a closet, so there'll be a door right here with a hanger and a place for us to put our shoes when we come in the door. Yeah, so you walk through, and then obviously the fridge is going to stay right there. But this will be a straight wall, so it'll just be continuous down. This opening, I don't even know, you could probably stand from here.
Yeah.
This opening where I'm standing now will be a full light 15 panel glass door. All of this will be refinished, and it will essentially be a landing for the basement. So this wall will stay flush and have a landing to go down into the basement, where you'll be able to see the French doors. Excuse me, there's a lot of dust. So yeah.
I think that's
And then
about it.
You turn. Yeah, so it's gonna be pretty open. Huge island, kind of exactly where they put the sawhorses.
Yep.
Huge kitchen, huge living room. It's gonna be really nice.
Yep. View looks nice.
Even though it's spitting freezing rain right now.
Yep. Well, I think that's it for today. That's 1 week's worth of work. You want to go out there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go out there.
Woo, it's cold.
Cold day in Virginia.
It is a cold day in Virginia. Look at all this nice wood that James is gonna get to
Yeah.
play
With my
with.
ladder. I like my ladder. Yeah.
All of this moisture barrier is gonna be ripped down.
Yep.
Needs to be
Yep.
repainted and beadboard put up.
Yeah. Put some beadboard up there, like she's saying. Put a railing in.
Repaint this back wall. Dude, this half alone would be a huge porch. Like,
This is a massive porch. Yeah. Gotta get some furniture. Should be pretty cool. Pretty cool.
this is borderline the equivalent. This is bigger than the entire upstairs of this house. Like, just to give you an idea.
No,
Depth
can't be. Say hello.
Hi! Guys, sound far away.
Yeah, you sound far away.
It is bigger than the upstairs.
Yep.
Alright, I guess until
That's
next time,
it.
guys.
See you later.